What's going on, everybody? Anthony with Jhuly's Aquatics and Gardening, and welcome to another video. So before we get started, there's a lot of construction going on in my neighborhood, so I'm out here on my back porch on my deck filming this video. Hopefully you can hear me because I don't know what they're doing, but they're extremely loud. So if you're watching this video, you obviously know what I'm getting ready to do. I'm filming a video that I've always wanted to make. I have gone out over the last few days and collected a lot of things because stores are starting to open up in my area. Everything is clearanced, everything is discounted, so I have a shopping haul. I got some new house plants, I got some new plants or containers. I have a lot of pottery, and so I just want to pretty much show you what I got. Let's get into the video. Let's start with the plants. I went to, at the idea of Mom Bear, my wife, which I call Mom Bear. She probably was going to kill me for putting her nickname out. We went out one day on our spontaneous family outings. She took me on a dangerous road because that street that we went on, or that road that we went on, has about 2 or 3 plant shops that I love to visit. It's a good 20-minute drive from my house. Not too bad, but we don't go there that often simply because I'm going to spend money. And what did I do? Spent money. Now, the first place, they had a 75% off clearance sale on all their houseplants. I went kind of crazy mentally, but I didn't go crazy as far as what I bought. They did have a couple of orchids that I have been wanting. I think I kind of have to do this thing to blot my face. I lost the plant tags, but I think this is a dendrobium orchid. Can you see that? It has what's called these little pseudobulbs. It's just pretty much in standard orchid bark. It has pseudobulbs. I think it's a dendrobium orchid, but I got that. I believe I paid $12 for this plant. And I also got another orchid. I don't know if this is an epipremnoid. I'll try to find the plant tags and put the correct names up on the screen, but this is another type of orchid. And if I can find a picture of how it flowers or what the blooms look like, I'll be sure to pop that on the screen also. But look at the terracotta. That aged look. I love terracotta because of that. It has the moss growing on it, and that patina is really nice. So those are the 2 orchids that I got. I also got 2 variegated African violets. Now, right before I went into the store, I was telling my wife that I've been looking for these variegated African violets for quite some time, and I just can't find them in my area. I don't know if the sun is picking up the variegation, but look at it. Went into the store, and lo and behold, they had them on clearance. Next is this, whoops, soil spilling. This is a Ficus salicara willow leaf fig, which is a bonsai plant. I'm thinking about trying my hands with bonsai. I paid $6.99 for this. And it's kind of like in this topiary form. If the images aren't coming out well, I'll be sure to give you guys a close-up at the end. And then I got a couple of ferns, which I paid $4.99 for. This is a Korean rock fern. And I don't know what kind of fern this one is. I've got a couple of terrariums in the house that the ferns died off in because my terrarium light died. And it was without light for a couple of weeks, so most of my plants suffered. So I got a couple terrarium plants to replace in those terrariums. I think this is a wire vine. I'm not sure. I got a couple of earthenware hearth-fired pots. I got 2 gray ones. These are from a store called Terrain. And I got one of the natural terracotta ones. And these already have that patina on it that I really, really like. Alright, so I had to kind of change my camera angle because the sun is starting to come out where I was. And so now I'm in a little bit more shade, so hopefully you'll be able to see me a little bit better. So, let's get into the next couple of things that I got. First off is this little miniature bird bath. It comes with these two sparrows with little stakes in there. You can kind of see the detailing on there. They're like little ivy patterns that go all the way down the side of it. And then on the inside, right here, I don't know if you can tell, but it says on there, his eye is on the sparrow. And that was really meaningful to me because I love that song. Originally this was $14.99 and I paid $11. Not bad, to me at least. Next up are these two little terracotta pots. This one I paid $2 for it, and then this medium-sized one I paid $5 for it. This is heavy. This might be the last one that I lift up, then I'll pick the camera up and turn it around to show you everything else that I got. Oh man, this is an urn. Okay, I'm putting this down. This is too heavy. Oh, try again. This is an urn. It's really nice. It's concrete. And it's, as you can tell, it's pretty heavy based on the way I'm talking, how I'm straining to hold it up. I am a weakling anyway. But got this guy. Alright, we're gonna put that down. And where's my receipt? Hold on. I paid $39 for that. Originally it was like $80-something, so it's half off, which was, why wouldn't I buy it? Next, let's look at the rest of the plants that I got. This is kind of weird. As you can tell, I've never filmed one of these kind of videos before, but I'm stupid excited because all told for everything I paid like $175, and there's more. But wait, there's more. So let me just let's look at the plants. I'm just gonna show you what's around me. This is a Superbena. I paid $1 for it at Lowe's. Superbena Velvet Ice, Violet Ice. Can't talk. Superbena Violet Ice. It was $1, so I wasn't gonna leave it. I did pick up two pentas in that same pink color. These are Lucky Star pentas. They grow 8 to 10 inches tall, 12 to 16 inches wide. No. 8 to 10 inches wide, 12 to 16 inches tall. I also got a lantana called Lucky Lavender, but this is pink. That's clearly pink. And then I'm gonna be doing a white and silver container arrangement. So I have a Dichondra Silver Falls. I've got an Icicles Licorice plant. I've got a couple of white geraniums. And they have a little bit of a scent to them. Whether or not it's pleasant, I don't know. That's yet to be determined. I've got white pentas, which this is the first year I'm ever planting pentas. And as I always do when I don't have any experience with a plant, I buy a whole ton of it. And then I've got this desperately needing to be repotted. I don't know if you can see all those roots down there. Angel Face White Angelonia. So I think that this white and silver container arrangement is going to look nice. So let me pick up the camera, show you everything else that I got, and then that'll be it. So as you can see, I couldn't resist the urge to plant up these containers. But these are the next set of things that I got. There were 3 of them at the beginning of the season before everything shut down. And I had gone to buy all 3 of them, didn't pull the trigger. Weeks later, they had 2 out of the 3 left. The third one was much taller, so it was like a large, medium, and small. I would have loved to have that 3rd planter, and as my local home goods goes, if you see it once, you're not going to see it again. So I paid $11 and $18 for these. I planted them up already. I just had a geranium hanging around. I had a lemon coral sedum, a couple vines and things laying around that I popped in there, and I think it came out nice. This is the next thing that I got. Can you see that? It's a big concrete planter sitting on top of this really nice pedestal. I paid $40 for this thing. Look at how big it is. I mean, look at how much room I have to plant in this container. Now, this is not where the white and silver arrangement is going to go. I have no idea where I'm going to put most of these containers because I don't have any space in my garden for any more containers. But I'll find a place to put them, and I'll definitely be giving you guys updates. Next thing that I got was this terracotta planter. Look at it. I'm going to be applying Danish oil to this, so it's not as light, and I'll be sure to show you guys that process when I do it. Paid $29 for that. Originally $80. This beautiful piece of artwork, I paid $40 for it. It's a boxwood topiary. Look at how strong of a trunk this has. And I have the perfect spot in my garden for it. Story behind this. I went to one Lowe's and they had one plant. I asked the lady how much it was because it didn't have a price tag. She said it was $250. So obviously I left it. Went to another Lowe's, saw the same one. She said it was $40. Of course I bought it. Made a beeline to the cash register, paid for it, and I left. What a beautiful plant. Alright, let me take you to the front yard and show you what else I bought. So we're back in my dirty garage, but look at this concrete planter. Now this thing is heavy. It's really heavy. And I had to use a dolly to get it in the garage here. But look at that. Look at that. I paid $50 for this thing. And it is heavy. And of course it has a drainage hole. I mean, I can't even rock it how heavy it is. I don't know where I'm going to put that, but it's going somewhere. And this, my friends, is the last thing that I bought. A concrete bench. I paid $40 for that. Now, I don't like the design of it. It's rabbits. I would have preferred it not be anything. But Mommy said she liked it. Mommy meaning Ma Bear, meaning Jhuly, meaning my wife. I call her Mommy, Ma Bear, whatever. She liked it. She said I should get it. Whenever Mom Bear says to get something for the garden, I get it. If your wife says to you, get something for your garden, what are you arguing about? Get it. So I got it. Don't know where I'm going to put it. It's just sitting here for right now, next to that planter that you saw in my container gardening video. If you didn't see it, go back and watch it. But yeah, that's that. So, that's it for this video. Oh, I just saw a ladybug. I love seeing ladybugs in the garden. Not flies. Get away. So, hope you enjoyed seeing what I got in my plant haul. I'm pretty excited. I love everything that I got. Maybe not the bench so much, but I'm sure to grow on me. Again, let me know what you guys think about my extra upload day. Like I said, I have a lot of things going on. I have a lot of projects I want to complete. So I'd like to bring you guys along for as much as I possibly can. And the only way I can do that while keeping everything relatively accurate as far as when I'm doing it and when it's getting posted, I'm going to have to add an extra day. There's a lot of things going on down in the fish room. I set up my new grow corner houseplant section in my basement. I haven't shown you guys that process. I'd like to review the lights that I use, so on and so forth. And only uploading one time a week is not going to afford me the privilege of showing you guys everything that I want to show you in real time. So let me know what you guys think about adding an extra upload day. Again, if you like this video, please do me a huge favor and leave me a big thumbs up. I'd love your guys' support in that regard. Share the video. Let me know what you guys think by subscribing to the channel. If you haven't seen any of my previous videos, make sure you go back and watch them. I'd like for this channel to be as successful as possible, and I can only do that with your guys' support. Thanks for those of you who watch my videos. This is probably going to be another long one. If you made it all the way through to the end, thank you very much for your support. It was really fun making this video. I know I didn't film it in a way that was cohesive like I've seen other people do it, but it was my first one. Cut me a break. I'm gonna get all this stuff put away. Wish me luck. Hope I don't break my back, and I'll see you guys in the next video.